Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to share videos directly from Pictory. So let's get started. To unlock the power of seamless sharing with Pictory's direct sharing feature, Step 1. Begin by navigating to My Projects. Find your creation and get ready to share. Step 2. Tap on the project you want to share and then on the video section, click on the three dots and select Share. Step 3. A pop-up window appears, allowing you to generate the shareable link. Step 4. Click Copy to generate the link. And just like that, you have a direct path to share your creation. Step 5. The link is yours to share. With a few clicks, your video reaches your desired audience. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.